Okay. Alright, and then... Oh, I already had a chicken stock in here, darling. Look. That's okay, I'll just put that one in there as well too. Put these guys in there. Then we can put the papa.
There's a mango on it.
Oh, it's pumpkin. So these guys go in here. There's this. Plant. Planting, and then the rest is just to put at the very top. Right. Right. I'll put the chook in there as well. Put the chook in there. You know, just do it in here too, like here. So.
I'm gonna put everything.
Yeah, because that's how it's going to be cooked, and then Bobasilla just puts the stones in between.
Chicken going into chicken and going into there.
It's a lot of chook, but that's okay. I'm sure you're going to take some home for your mum too, yeah?
We might bring mom here. I don't know. Because we have to pick her up.
We do. Very soon too, I think. Brother will have to go.
1 minute already.
Alright, darling, that's enough. A little bit coconut. That's okay. The coconut is okay too. Alright, lovely. What are you doing? We're gonna... Too much. Alright, so now I'm going to ask you to stay there because the flies are everywhere. Just get them out.
When you come out, can you get one boy?
Just chill out.
Huh?
He's a freaking tiny one.
Look at you freaking breaking out of your shell because you're sparky.
Is that stone? Where's the stone?
Oi! Oi, lapin!